Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope so you don't chase every event. Identify your exact research keywords and pick 1 to 3 target regions. This focuses search results and travel planning. Once done, set a realistic timeline, submission deadlines, travel windows, and how much you can spend. Make sure to note preferred conference size and format. Smaller workshops versus large forums changes selection. These prerequisites speed the process and let you act immediately on the first site searches and alert setups. Now execute a focus search. Use specific databases, professional society pages, and set keyword alerts so results arrive in your inbox. As you shortlist events, vet them. Review program committees, look at past proceedings to gauge quality, and note acceptance rates if available. Also confirm logistical details, exact dates, venue type, visa timelines, and typical registration fees, because those affect feasibility. Once you have vetted options, prioritize 2 to 3 targets and prepare abstracts or travel funding. Finish by submitting abstracts early, booking travel with flexible tickets, and applying for visas or invitation letters promptly so nothing blocks attendance. Make sure to ask colleagues about conference reputation and secure funding or institutional support ahead of acceptance to avoid last-minute issues. If you face rejection or visa delays, pivot quickly. Convert the work to a poster, join a workshop, or target next year's deadline. This keeps momentum and ensures your research still gains exposure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.